TD bracket is your ideal solution for mounting almost anything on exposed fastened TRIMDEK metal roofs, commonly used across Australia. Whether you're installing solar PV systems, HVAC units, walkways or other rooftop services, TD bracket provides a reliable, simple and weatherproof attachment solution. If you're looking to attach solar using PVKIT on TRIMDEK, Rib Bracket 1 to 5 offers a complete range to help you find the right fit for your roof profile. With no messy sealants to apply, TD bracket helps reduce the risk of leaks and installation errors. Each bracket comes with a factory-applied EPDM rubber gasket seal, providing a weather-resistant attachment. The S5 integrated reservoir also helps conceal the EPDM from harsh UV exposure, protecting it from drying out in Australia's demanding climate. TD bracket is not only economical, but also incredibly adaptable. This sheeting-only attachment can be positioned anywhere along the roof ribs, giving installers greater flexibility on site. TD bracket has been rigorously tested for low to failure results in sheet-only applications. The design of the TD bracket simplifies alignment, making it a practical attachment solution for TRIMDEK metal roofs. Its structural aluminium construction is compatible with aluminium and painted or bare-coated steel roof profiles commonly used throughout Australia. Installation is straightforward. First, gather your tools. You'll need an impact driver, a 5/16" tech bit, string line, a rag and a tape measure. Mount the bracket on the crown of the panel using the provided self-piercing screws. Use all the pre-punctured holes to achieve maximum holding strength. Drive each fastener until the washer is firmly seated. Do not overdrive the fastener, as a slight extrusion of rubber around the washer is a good visual indicator of correct tightness. After mounting, slide the included M8 hex flange nut with the flange side up into the top groove. For a solar installation, start by placing the TD bracket at each end of the array, mounting a consistent distance from the roof edge. Secure a string line for alignment, then set the remaining brackets to the line. Securely mount solar rails by attaching an L foot to the top of the TD bracket. And that's it. With TD bracket, you can confidently mount solar PV and other rooftop accessories on Australian TRIMDEK metal roofs. For more information and to learn how TD bracket can work for your next project, visit our website.